Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can delete or close your account permanently in the Webflow website builder. So let us dive into this. Now guys, head over to the Webflow website builder, navigate to your dashboard, and you will need to access your account settings for that. Just bear in mind that if you decide to close your account permanently here, all your website projects will be deleted as well, unless of course you transfer them to a different owner. So what you want to do is, if you want to do this, click into account. In the top right, select account settings. Here, scroll all the way down till you get to delete account. And here guys, click into request account deletion. And after that, you'll be guided through that. As you can see, I can't delete my account because, as you can see, I have only one workspace and I need to archive or transfer it first. Only after that, once that has been done with the given workspace and all included websites and site projects, you can return to that menu, click into this button and confirm the request. There will be a send button here on the bottom right, and I'm not going to do this. So guys, if you haven't done that yet, you will need to transfer your workspace first, return to the previous menu, to the dashboard, select the given workspace. As you can see, I own only one, so I need to transfer it first or archive it. To do that, navigate to the given workspace's settings here under General. And here at the very bottom, for instance, you will see the archive workspace option. So that's one way how you can fix this issue, or you transfer it to someone else. So that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.